Beautiful sky. Hello everyone, another day on the vlog. Look at this. Grass growing everywhere. Hiking tayo guys. We visit the favorite place. Diba, if you can see, wala pang mga leaves. Look at that. Hiking. Tulak natin ng bike. Ayaw ko sumakay dahil it's so high. Yeah, hiking. My favorite place. First time again this place. First day to visit this place again after winter. So yeah, spring finally here. As you can see, wala pa mga dahon. Look at this and look at that. Alright, let's go. Push natin ng bike. Mabigat siya kasi it's electric and it can be pedal, but ayaw ko